Alright, stop, collaborate and listen. Ash is back with a brand new invention. Something grabs a hold of me tightly, flows like a harpoon daily and nightly. Will it ever stop? Yo, I don't know. Whack up the bass and I'll flow to the extreme, erupt like a candle. Light up the stage with my stack like a candle. Boom! Crush speaker up booms, killing your brain like a poisonous mushroom. Deadly! When I play a dope felony, anything less than the best is a felony. Move it or leave it, you better can't wait. Better hit bullseye, the kid can't play. If you got a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Check out the bass while my DJ rolls it. Ice, ice, baby, too cold. Vanilla. That's a wrap. We've got keto safe pork dumplings. Not keto safe, vegetable chow mein with pork. So what we do first is we poke some cabbage leaves. Leaves of cabbage. And do you know how you tell when a cabbage is cooked, James? Wheelchair floats at the top of the pan.
Wheelchair floats.
So these cabbage leaves are poached so that they form the outer skin of the aforementioned pork dumpling. Now, this is a good recipe, James, because it's a low carb recipe, this bit.
This bit is?
No carbs. Until we do the noodles and stuff.
So do you use the cabbage water for anything?
Steaming the dumplings.
Oh.
So there you go. It's like Sarita's bikini. Right then, for the filling, got some pork mince, and in there we put a special mixture. I think it's this one. Garlic powder, pepper, and this is my little secret.
What's your little secret, Matt?
It is Cajun seasoning, just to give it that little bit of few chili flakes.
I must say I'm unfamiliar with the flavour of.
Is he still here?
He is, yeah.
Soy sauce. Squid sauce.
Squid sauce?
Yeah. The milk squids. On the 9th tentacle. I believe it's called the penis. Squeenus.
The squeeners.
Squeenus.
Milk the squeeners.
Now I'm going to have to stuff these here. That's the filling. This is a clever bit, people. So if you see, it's a special fold for a dumpling. Like that. Like that. Like that. Like that. Little parcel of pleasure. And you can do it with chicken mince. Oh! You can lick them if you want.
You can lick them if you want.
Right, so they're steaming. And then, because both my boys are here, I'm going to pat it out a bit with a pork ball chow mein.
Oh.
Now, does that sound, James?
That sounds incredible.
So,
To quote Reese.
what I'm going to do, I'm going to stick my balls in this frying pan.
What? Sorry? Sorry, what?
I'm going to stick my balls. They're too big now. Don't fit in your mouth,
What
don't
your
you?
mum said.
So the idea with this is it's probably going to taste nice as an accompaniment. If me and Mrs. Chinny have it, we tend to just have loads.
Yeah.
Dumplings. So we'll need a dip with it as well. And that's just using up the remaining pork balls. Onions.
Onions.
Garlic powder. Let that cook a minute. While that's cooking, I'm going to make the dip for the dumplings. Oh, Mr. Chinnery. So for that, we use macerated ginger.
Macerated ginger.
Yeah, it means I've chewed it and spat it back in.
Alright.
Not really. Chopped ginger. Bit of chilli.
I'm interested. Can I taste a bit of that salt?
You don't taste it on its own.
Oh,
Do you want to taste a bit on its own?
yeah.
some more of a seasoning.
Is it soy or fish?
Got too excited, sorry.
Is it
That's
fish
gonna
sauce
make
or
it
soy
git.
sauce? I think you're just giving him straight fish sauce.
He asked for it.
Oh, Dad, oh, James.
You're not supposed to do that, James.
Well,
I did warn you.
oh,
Is that not a bit better?
no, not really.
Oh,
Soft hand.
maybe not dip yours, James. I can see my hands and I can see my fingers. Sometimes when I trump, it really lingers. It smells like a cat's been to the little tray. It's not my fault. I don't get paid, but I see my hands. These are fresh egg noodles from Marks and Spencer's.
No, they're not. Don't lie.
They are.
Marks and Spencer's via Lidl.
Little by little. Let's put these glorious noodles in here. Because I need that pan. How's that look? And then the dumplings are ready. Now they'd be very hot. What we have to do to make them tasty, crisp them up.
Oh, wait, whoa!
Yeah.
A bit lively, aren't they?
Bit lively, aye.
Yeah.
Like a dwarf in a bath. Oh, it's deeper when you get in. You'd have a door in your bath, that's what you want, a door in your bath. Give these 30 seconds or so, and we're done. That one, and go.
Go on then, Lucas. Let you go first.
Right.
Broccolis, and describe the flavours.
The flavour
How
profile.
many broccoli?
There's only about 3 left in plate, so I can't. Right. Right, the flavour, it's salty but not too salty, if you know, like that perfect.
Umami.
Yeah, very umami.
Right, dear mommy,
I feel it.
here we go.
I feel addicted to it, and I want to drink a pint of that sauce.
Nice. Nice,
Like
that's
that's better than the Big Bag sauce, easily. And then
Just
so
get on in there.
chow mein, 10 broccolis, dumplings. I wish I could go higher.
You can, we don't mind.
Is it higher than 10? Got to have a
27
ceiling
broccolis.
Yeah, I've got to have a ceiling somewhere.
10 broccolis. Thank you very much, Lucas, I appreciate that.
Well, I agree. I agree with everything.
2 tens,
Yeah,
that's 20.
that's, well, no, it's 40, isn't it?
40, wait!
40 because you got 10 for that
His cheat code is he cooks 2 dishes.
and
at
10 for this, so
night.
it's 2 dishes, so you get double the points. 40 points for Mr. Chidri!
I am immortal! I have inside me blood of kings! Yeah! Don't forget, Islanders, come to you, cinemas soon. See you later! Chicken lickers!
Lickers!
Chicken lickers!
You can lick them if you want!
Lick 'em if you want!
Yeah, not to be fair.
It's supposed to be chicken minces. Alright, stop. Collaborate and listen. Ash is back with a brand new invention. Something grabs a hold of me tightly, flows like a harpoon daily and nightly. Will it ever stop? Yo, I don't know. Whack up the bass and I'll flow to the extreme. Erupt like a candle. Light up the stage with my stack like a candle. Boom! Cause speaking up booms, killing your brain like a poisonous mushroom. Deadly. When I play, I don't felony. Anything less than the best is a felony. Move it or leave it. You better can't wait. Better hit bullseye. The kid can't play. If you got a problem, yo, I'll solve it. Check out the bass while my DJ rolls it. Ice, ice, baby, too cold. Vanilla. That's a wrap.
Sorry,